Let's take a look at this example. We have what percent. We said that we are going to call this n. Of stands for the multiplication, and I'm going to have 16.8 equals, because E stands for equal, 4.2. Okay, let me write this equation one more time. I have n times 16.8 equals 4.2. Okay, and I want to find n. Anytime you are going to find n, you have to divide both sides equation by 16.8 in order to eliminate 16.8 from n. So I'm going to have 16.8. So 16.8 and 16.8 are going to be cancelled out because I have multiplication over here, right? So that's why they're going to be cancelled out. And I have n equals 4.2 over 16.8. Now, let's take a look at these two numbers. I have 4.2 and I have 16.8. Check if we can reduce these two numbers, okay? I can reduce them by 2 because both of them are even numbers. 4.2 divided by 2 is 2.1 over 16.8 divided by 2 is 8.4. Now, get back to the problem. The problem is asking you what percent. I have to find percent. So in order to find percent, you have to multiply the fraction by 100%. Because I'm dealing with fraction, I'm going to convert 100% to fraction by writing 100% over 1. I can reduce both of them by 4. So I'm going to have 2.1 over 2.1 times 25% over 1. Now, 2.1 divided by 2.1 is 1. So I'm going to have n equals 1 times 25% over 1, which is simply 25%. So I have 1 times 25% is equal 25%. And this is the solution to my problem.